Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your custom star buttons in the new 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. I have in front of me here an EX Premium all-wheel drive in Heritage Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we have two custom buttons that we can assign a function to. We have this one here, the solid star, which is on the right side of the steering wheel, and then down in the control center, we have the empty star. So all we have to do is go and press this button if we haven't used it at all yet, and it's going to come up on the screen here, and then we have all of these options to choose what function we want that button to do. So we can have it choose to cancel a route that is put into the navigation system on the fly. We can have it go to the weather screen to give you weather updates. We can have it as a shortcut to your radio, so it will go to whatever you last had it set to. We have the option for valet mode, Bluetooth audio to stream from your phone, sports update. You do need the Kia Connect subscription in order to use that. We have our driver assistance settings. You can even have that button start a quick voice memo and stop it when you're done. You can have it switch between your infotainment and climate controls down in the control center. You can press it to reroute your current route in the navigation system on the fly. You can have it go to your phone so you can place a phone call using the dialer or your contact list. You can set it to reject or end a call. So you can press that button to reject an incoming call, or when you're done talking, you can press it to end the call. You can choose to have it as your phone projection, a shortcut to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. A shortcut to the privacy mode, so nobody can see any info from incoming texts or phone calls while they're in the car with you. We can have it go to your hybrid screen so you can see your efficiency numbers and hybrid options. You can have it change which hands-free calling device you want to use, because don't forget you can have more than one phone connected at a time, and this is a quick way to switch between the two. You can have it go to the home screen completely. You can even have it turn this display off. If you were driving at night, maybe it was too bright, hit the button, turns this off, hit the button, brings it back. You can have it as a shortcut to quiet mode. You can have it go into HD radio data, bring up the map for the navigation, or you can choose to have your media turned on and off with the press of that button. Right now, none is selected. So if we were to choose one of these functions, let's say it was even the reject or end call button. Now, if I was in another screen and I was getting a call, I could press this button to just reject that call. Or if I was in a call, I would press this button to end that call. If you want to change what function this button is assigned to, you press and hold that button for a few seconds, and this list will pop back up in the infotainment system. And you can set any of these functions to either one of these buttons. On the left here, you can change between the solid star and the empty star and what function you want to set to it. All personal preference. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.